Siyempre, 90 years old, parang mas realistic na pag-usapan yung kapag mawawala ka na. Last year, nag-birthday si Miss Gloria Romero. It was her 90th birthday. Puntahan lang natin briefly si Miss Gloria Romero dahil pinag-uusapan natin ang mga eulogy. I hope you don't bash me for saying na obviously sa ating mga tao, sa mga artista, syempre 90 years old, mas closer sila, parang mas realistic na pag-usapan yung kapag mawawala ka na sa mundong ibabaw. Kasi for some, syempre unexpected yon. But if you're nearing your 90s, yan na nga yung talagang tapos na. Kumbaga, you're just enjoying life and we don't know when we will be taken. My point is, Miss Gloria Romero, last December, celebrated her 90th birthday and she was given a party by her daughter. Si Miss Gloria Romero kasi is also considered the first lady of the Philippine cinema. And I hope kilala mo siya, Breeler. Dahil ako, personally, talagang napakarami kong mga movies at mga teleserye na nakita mula sa kanya. And I must say na talagang ang laki ng contribution niya. And the point being, sharing her story, yung birthday celebration niya. Apart from that kasi, nagkaroon din siya ng isang surprise party. I think it was organized by Miss Daisy Romualdez. Bakit siya binigyan ng surprise party? That's to honor her contributions. So, hindi nabanggit yung salitang eulogy, but it seems like parang eulogy na rin yun. And of course, nung nangyari yung kay Miss Gloria Romero na surprise party niya, I'm sure heaven yung feeling nun. It's like hearing all your good friends, the people who appreciates you, yung presence nila nandoon. Imagine kung wake yan at kung ikaw mismo yung nakahiga doon sa coffin or nandun sa urn, hindi mo na talaga mararamdaman yung physical presence, yung energy na iyon. Again, Breelers, magkaroon tayo ng awakening na mas maganda talaga na we always tell other people, not just our loved ones, even the people that we work with, how grateful, how appreciative you are of their presence, kung yung tulong nila, diba? It's not always sunny. But the thing is, there are so many things to thank them for, and also your loved ones, asawa mo, anak mo, magulang mo, mga kapatid mo, please tell them how much you love them.